Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are going to be making some delicious black pepper chicken. Now honey, let's go ahead and get to this marinated chicken. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add our wine, our soy sauce, and a little bit of cornstarch. We're going to mix this together and we're going to sit this aside for about 15 minutes. You want to make sure that everything is combined completely before setting it aside. Next we're going to go ahead and pan fry our chicken. You want to pan fry it on both sides. We're going to get it delicious and brown on both sides before we take it out our pan and set it to the side. You can add a little salt if you want to, but you don't have to in this step. You want to make sure that you cut them up pretty thin so that they cook evenly inside once they are done sauteing. So we're going to take out our chicken and we're going to set this chicken aside. I love me a delicious black pepper chicken stir fry. You cannot go wrong with this meal, quick and easy. Here we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic. And then I'm going to add in some ginger. We're going to mix this around. We're going to pick up some of those pieces that's at the bottom of our pan. We're going to add our onions and our bell peppers as much as you like. I love me some bell peppers and some onions. So we're just going to stir fry this. You could stir fry this as long as you like. I like a little bit of crunch in my vegetables. And here we added our sauce. So our sauce consisted of chicken broth, soy sauce, wine, dark soy sauce, cornstarch, sugar, ground black pepper, and about a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix it up and we're going to pour it on top of our stir fry. And then we're going to add our chicken to our pot. Once we add our chicken, we're going to quickly stir our chicken a few times to coat it with everything. With the sauce, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to remove our skillet from the stove. And we're going to immediately transfer everything to a big plate so that the ingredients will not keep cooking. And we're going to serve it over some delicious rice. And let me tell you, this black pepper chicken was so good. If you're short on time during the week and you want to cook dinner, try this meal. It was quick and easy. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.